Alex here with a legal nuts and bolts video on pro hoc vice. I'm just going to explain what this means. I do get questions on this sometimes. Typically there are, well, it's not actually very typical. It's rare for this to occur, but sometimes there will be an attorney who wants to take part in a case. They want to represent a party, and they are licensed to practice in their state or in whatever jurisdiction they're practicing, but they aren't licensed to practice in the jurisdiction of the case that they're trying to jump into. And so what they have to do is get permission from that jurisdiction somehow. Typically it's the judge presiding over the case. They have to get permission to practice in that case or to represent the party in that case. And what they're doing is they're asking to, I think they call it pro hoc vice status, or they're asking to appear pro hoc vice or something like that. Anyway, the complexities of it have to do with all of the various rules associated with each different jurisdiction in this country. And this isn't really a channel for attorneys, so I'm not here trying to help them understand and figure this stuff out. They can figure this out on their own. But I did want to at least explain to my viewers what's going on, what this happens, because I do get this question every now and then. So if you have any more questions about what pro hoc vice is or how it might impact your case, feel free to post something down in the comments below. But I don't anticipate this topic to be one that is something that everyone is going to be running into, or even a third of us is going to be running into. It's pretty rare for this to occur. And from what I have seen, when it does occur, it's typically a family member. So somebody will have like a brother that's a lawyer, or a mom or a sister that's a lawyer, and their family member will want to help them out and represent them in their case because they can't afford an attorney. And even then, it's still rare. But anyway, typically that's what's going on. And that particular family member is just not licensed to practice in the state that they moved to or the state that they happen to be in. And so that particular person has to get permission from the judge to appear pro hoc vice. And so the other viewer is, or the person on the other side, that's typically the viewer that sends me an email saying, hey, I don't know what's going on. This lawyer from Cincinnati is appearing in my case down in Texas. And anyway, again, as I mentioned earlier, if you have any questions, feel free to post them down in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.